Here is a small video on power figures by the Nkongo people in the Congo. These sculptures are called Nkongo and Kisi, and this will explain some.
We're at the Metropolitan Museum of Art, and we're looking at a Congo Nkisi figure from the Democratic Republic of Congo. So the Congo is in Central Africa. It was a large kingdom that was founded in the 14th century, and over the centuries eventually colonized by Belgium. When the Portuguese, who arrived in Africa in the late 15th century, saw these figures, Nkisi, and also brought missionaries to Christianize the people of the Congo, they asked that these figures be burned. The term Nkisi refers to a spirit, but more specifically medicine. And when I say medicine, I don't mean an aspirin. I mean the herbs and supplements that a healer would use to help someone on a physical, but also on a spiritual, mental, and emotional level. The Nganga is the ritual specialist among the Congo in this period of time, around the 19th century, who would use Nkisi figures to help his clients. So the Nganga would ask a sculptor to carve this, and then the Nganga would use it over the course of a considerable amount of time, and over that time this figure would accrue everything that we see on it. And all of this material is covering its abdomen, where...
And just really quickly, I'd like to show you a sculpture. I'm not sure if you can see this. This is one that I have in my personal bit of art. This is Nkongo Nkisi, and as mentioned before, this is a Malian funerary mass for ceremonial funerals.